Ben Armstrong sold Bitboy crypto exposed what no one knew about MATIC coin. ARK Invest buys back into Coinbase. MATIC gets some good press and breaks above the 200-day moving average, and Apple plans to collect 30% on in-app NFT mints. ARK Invest is buying Coinbase again, making them the fourth largest corporate shareholder of Coinbase. Coin is now a large part of the portfolio and the ninth largest holding in ARK, which is ARK Invest Bitcoin adjacent ETF that gets its value from holding shares of companies who are bullish on Bitcoin. This is the first time that ARK bought back into Coin after dumping almost $75 million worth of it, following the SEC's claim that Coinbase was trading unregistered securities, since the SEC is now focused on other platforms and projects like NFTs. Thanks, Gary. Along with the possibility that a bottom for Bitcoin is within reach, ARK seems to have gained the confidence to jump back in. Not to mention that at these prices, the ETF is able to lower the entry price for the remaining coin shares that it still owned before its Monday purchase. ARK Invest, the parent company of ARK ETFs, held over 7.1 million coin shares along with crypto-friendly companies like Tesla, Block, and Robinhood, along with a large portfolio of tech stocks. It's down almost 80% from its high in February of 2021. While CEO Cathie Wood steadfastly kept the faith that the value of these assets will return, the only question left to ask is, does Cathie have a Discord handle? Because that kind of portfolio volatility sounds like one belonging to a true gen. Alright guys, let's jump in and do a little market. Right here, as Bitcoin has seen a massive pump. Today we've got Bitcoin coming in at 20,100, finally cracking that 20k level, going all the way up to about 20,400, up about 3.8% on the day of Ethereum, getting all the way into the 1500s. Up about 8.7% on the day. Absolutely crazy. Now I do want to bring you guys over to the Bitcoin chart, because I do think there's a teachable moment here, and that teachable moment is about volume gaps. Now I'm not going to show you guys how to find these because I only have a couple seconds here, but if you're interested in learning about how to find these volume gaps, definitely check out the Frankie Candles YouTube channel. I talk about them all the time, and I have tutorials showing you exactly how to find them and use volume profiles. But in my Discord I posted a few days ago about how if we got above this blue box at about 19.6, we could see price go absolutely crazy. Because of the gaps in volume. We have a massive gap in volume right here, resulting in a teleportation to the next level, and then once we broke this level, we got another teleportation up to this NPOC at about 19,988, almost 20k even. And then we got another rip up to our third target, which is the value area high. We almost came up to it, didn't quite touch it, and this level is about between about 20,420 and about 20,500. This is the next level to the upside if we continue higher and if we continue to hold support above this MPO. He had about 20k. Do think we could continue to see this ride to the upside, but guys, don't sleep on the volume gaps. The price of MATIC broke out of a trend line, marking 2 months of downtrend momentum that many cryptocurrencies including Bitcoin and Ethereum have yet to break. The popular Ethereum scaling layer 2 project Polygon just saw its token push past the 200-day moving average, which from a TA perspective is likely to follow through with positive price action. MATIC got some good press recently with the release of Reddit selectable avatars, the Polygon-based profile picture NFTs that are up almost 800%, and news that Warren Buffett-backed new bank picked Polygon as the blockchain of choice to airdrop its new token, new coin. Algom pumped almost 8% over the last 24 hours as well, bringing its price back up to 33 cents. After living through so much red, we're being reminded that green is still our favorite. Color stacking, MATIC, Algo, and other bull market picks store those coins safely. Get a ledger, you could click here for a bit. Squad exclusive deal decision makers at Apple must have watched Jerry Maguire a few too many times because they've got their users on board to show me the money. Show me the money. You know that Apple is rolling in the cash. But did you know it has an almost $2.5 trillion valuation? Some perspective on that is 1 trillion seconds is just over 31,500 years, which if you go back that far in history you'll find the creation of the oldest known cave paintings. All that to say, Apple is getting paid from their hardware and especially from their App Store that takes a 30% commission from all transactions and subscriptions. Apple announced Monday it will greenlight in-app MSFT minting, but apps will be banned from offering exclusive access to NFT owners, and links to other sites where they can mint and trade outside of the Apple ecosystem won't be allowed. In a statement, Apple said apps may not use licenses, QR codes, crypto or crypto wallets, among other things, to unlock content. Interesting to note that crypto exchange apps are still exempt as long as they're playing by the rules. Not surprisingly, this is pushing app-based platforms to move away from integrating NFTs. Those are some big buys, decent pumps, and big prayers entering crypto, even if they're doing it all wrong. And I'm talking to you specifically here. Apple relief rally? Maybe. But for today, crypto's feeling pumped up and we're feeling a little less pain and a little more gain. That's all I got.